There are three types of logic gates, which are basic logic gates, universal logic gates, and arithmetic logic gates. The basic logic gates are AOI, that is AND, OR, and inverter. The inverter gate is also known as NOT gate. Coming to the second category, we have universal logic gates. Universal logic gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. The reason these gates are called universal logic gates is because every other gate can be made using NAND gate or NOR gate. The third category is arithmetic logic gates. The arithmetic logic gates are XOR gate and XNOR gate. These gates are called arithmetic logic gates because they can be used in arithmetic operations.